day, I ordered some fidget spinners to show you guys. Let's get started. I just need to close that door. Wait a few minutes. Ow. Okay, I'm going to show you some fidget spinners, and they're in, I already checked the mail. They're in this box over here. And let's crack them open. The first fidget spinner is a pretty cool one, like a circle, I guess. Is this one. Oh my god. And remember, I gave away the blue glow-in-the-dark fidget spinner, and then I bought a new one. So this is the first fidget spinner. It's a Lego one. How they made a Lego fidget spinner? That's odd. That's so odd. The next fidget spinner. Oh, it's in a random box. You hear it? You hear it? Let's crack this open. Oh my god, it's almost broken. It's this one. Why is it broken? Oh, now I get it, because you gotta share it with this. Wait, what is under this? That's so weird. We have to share with this Lego fidget spinner, of course. Let's just put it in. And put it here, I guess. Oh my god, that's so cool. That's so cool. Dude, you gotta be careful. And look. Let's put this back, shall we? Okay. Put that back. Let's just put it here. Then the next fidget spinner is, want to see it? In 3, 2, 1. This fidget spinner, it was colored to make it look cool. Look at that. Nice fidget spinner. So cool, right? Now I don't have Lego fidget spinners. Okay. This is actually pretty cool. Okay. And I see the next fidget spinner is actually pretty cool. It's really, really cool. You want to see? I'm just gonna be right back. I just gotta go to the washroom because I have a washroom in my room. Okay, I'm back. And the next, and I put the other fidget spinner right here. And the next one is really, really awesome. But I bought these bearings right here. One, they're the same as the last fidget spinner, the white one. There are these bearings I bought. They look the same as the white one and the green. And the next fidget spinner is going to be pretty cool. It's almost the same one. Ready? This. It's so similar. Doesn't spin that long. And it's actually pretty cool, right? Look at that. So let's put it in the center. The last fidget spinner is this. Glow in the dark. I had it last time in the Charlie is in my house video. No, it's not called that. We had it with that. It's in our cottage. It's not in our house. It's in our cottage. It's pretty cool, huh? And that's it. No more. So, yeah. All empty. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give a like, subscribe to my channel, and also you have to subscribe because last time I was crying last night because you didn't really subscribe and give a like. So just please give a like. If you like fidget spinners, if you like chocolate, please give a like on this video. Goodbye.